Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wipers glide smoothly. First, ensure your windshield is sparkling clean. Use a quality glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth for best results. Next, gently lift your wiper arms away from the glass. Take a clean, damp cloth and carefully wipe down the rubber edges of both wiper blades. This simple step removes accumulated dirt, dust, and road grime, which are common culprits for jerky or noisy wiper operation. A clean start is crucial for smooth performance. After the initial wipe down, it is time for a deeper clean. Apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol to a clean cloth and carefully run it along the entire length of each wiper blade. This helps dissolve any remaining oil, wax, or stubborn road film. While cleaning, take a moment to thoroughly inspect the rubber. Look for any signs of damage, such as cracks, tears, or stiff spots, which can prevent smooth gliding. Also, ensure the wiper arm applies even pressure. To further enhance smoothness, consider treating both your wiper blades and windshield. For the blades, a silicone-based treatment can restore flexibility and create a slicker surface, allowing them to glide effortlessly. For your windshield, applying a high-quality water repellent product is highly beneficial. This causes rain and spray to bead up and roll off, significantly reducing the workload on your wipers and contributing to a much smoother, quieter operation. Follow product instructions carefully for best results. Maintaining smooth wiper performance requires ongoing attention. Make it a habit to repeat the basic cleaning steps every few weeks, especially during periods of heavy use or adverse weather. Always use your windshield washer fluid when operating wipers. Never run them on a dry windshield, as this causes unnecessary friction and wear. Finally, even with the best care, wiper blades have a lifespan. Plan to replace them every 6 to 12 months, or immediately if you notice streaking, skipping, or excessive noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.